In this video, I'm going to show you the full ride experience of Test Track version 2, the final weekend of operations. The attraction began as you entered the Chevrolet Design Studio. Once you were inside the studio, you were able to scan your Magic Band or card, and then you would move through the process of creating your vehicle. And based on what you created, you had different attributes of your vehicle that were apparent, from the efficiency to the power and a couple of other items as well. So you could edit your design and you could add and remove items on your vehicle, adjust the color and other items, associated with the vehicle, other accessories and that type of thing. So once you moved through this whole process, then you had your end result of your vehicle and you could proceed on to the queue for the ride at that point. Just before you get on the ride, you scan your Magic Bands here so that it can associate your vehicle with your ride. Then you entered your ride vehicle and it proceeded to the seatbelt checkpoint. So during that time, you had the opportunity to buckle up and be prepared for the seatbelt checkpoint. And then at that point, it was time to proceed on the ride.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to All-Star. SIM-car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data. test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car after you disembark.
As you could see, several things were non-functional. Definitely time for reimagineering. Once the ride was complete and you were exiting, you went through several other studios that Chevrolet sponsored for a variety of experiences that I'll address next.
Like this.
In the first room, you got to see how the attributes of your vehicle compared to the attributes of other guests' vehicles. So you could see what your score was for power and efficiency and the other attributes as well, and see how they compared.
Yeah, but top one, most efficient.
In the next room, you were able to actually create a commercial for your vehicle. You would select the type of voice and some other creative aspects, and then it would actually customize a commercial for your vehicle.
Oh, this is our kind of.
Wait, did you say how much you got?
Look,
Is that power?
okay.
You also had an opportunity to get a close-up look of the Corvette in this room.
19 miles per gallon. Okay.
In the next room, you were able to drive vehicles around on a video game type experience, but as you can see, there were a lot of issues with this, and definitely, again, time for reimagineering. There were several stations for this, and some of these were functioning even on this last weekend for the ride. The final main room was the showroom, and in that room you could go up to the vehicles and look at them up close and look at all the specs, and there were also advisors who had lots of information and insights regarding the vehicles.
Good, how are you doing?
So we're redesigning these for 25.
There were several stations where you could take pictures in front of the vehicles and get those emailed to you free of charge. Importantly, you can't get out of a Disney ride without going through the gift shop.